Sasuke and Sakura. Sasuke and Sakura. Alright.
Chick I've ever seen.
Alright. She can touch the earth. This one. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and do it. Everyone, quiet down. Hush, hush, hush. Go! Make me take you outside.
Pros.
Alright, pros! Yes, sir, in the box. Alright, yes, sir.
His first kiss was with a guy.
First kiss with a guy. Alright,
I can't blur that out.
Yes, sir, in the back. Hush, hush.
Sorry.
Classmates. Classmates. Yes, ma'am.
No one else will take Sasuke.
No. Yes, sir, in the back.
You raised mine. Mine was not good. Mine was more of a con.
Sakura always wins?
Wait, don't let us
It's just a guy that's more or less a con.
That's more of a con. It bumped my head.
Sasuke was
Alright, another pro. Yes, ma'am.
She's completely in love with him.
She is in love with him. I'm sorry. Yes, sir.
He's an idiot.
He's an idiot.
These are pros.
Easy for Sakura to love. Easy for Sakura to love.
Yes, sir.
She passes out when Kakashi makes it look like he's dead.
He's an idiot. He's
Passes out.
Alright, she's carrying that hours training belt.
Faint's over.
Yes, ma'am.
She's always
You want to let this dark con.
Always concerned about him. Are we doing pros or cons here? Pros. Okay. Sorry, I got confused here. Concerned. All right. Yes, ma'am.
Sasuke needs an heir, and Sakura would be a willing participant.
He needs air. All right.
Yeah.
Going once. Going twice. Yes, ma'am.
Sakura can always heal him.
She can heal him. Yes, sir, in the back.
Sasuke needs more personality, and Sakura has too.
Yeah, do it.
Kisame, you're a genius.
We're going to need at least 11 cons. All right, as soon as they have cons time, we're going to start.
And go.
Go! Yes, ma'am, in the purple.
Alright, so Sakura is just so annoying that not only could Sasuke not stand her, but no one could.
Even Sasuke cannot stand her.
Except for
Yes,
Naruto.
sir, in the red and black.
Okay, so the fact that Sasuke deserves no one, not even an annoying little, stupid girl like Sakura, he deserves no one.
He deserves no one. Yes, ma'am.
He leaves.
He leaves. He's a jerk. Yes, sir, in the green.
He's evil.
Yeah, he tries to kill other love interests.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise,
Sakura's totally violent when Sasuke's just kind of walks away
Sakura
from
is
everything.
violent. Yes, ma'am, with the pink theme. See her.
Sakura has a split personality.
Split personality. That's definitely a bad thing. Miss or Mr. Purple in the back. I can't tell. Mr. Purple. Sorry.
Sakura only likes him for his emo-ness.
Oh, she was before emo.
When was he not?
All right, young lady.
they do.
Sasuke doesn't like him.
Oh.
What? Sasuke
doesn't like her.
I like her. Sasuke doesn't like her. All right. Young man in the back, bouncing up and down. That would be you.
Naruto doesn't even
Even Naruto does not believe it. All right, Eris, yes.
Other love interests. Yeah.
Other love interests. All right, Mr. Gray Hair.
Sasuke tried to kill another love interest, Karin. He tried to kill her, so that just sets a pattern. They wouldn't be together.
Sasuke kills
And
the one
he
he
tried to
loves.
kill Sakura twice.
He's a bad guy. Yes, ma'am, in the orange. Yes, you. They are too young.
Look, we're gonna be time.
Yes. Oh, I just called time. I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
They're not gonna work.
Naruto always gets the girl.
12!
Oh.
cock.